Welcome to this lesson on uncountable nouns. In this video, we will explore what uncountable nouns are and how to use them correctly in English. Uncountable nouns are words that cannot be counted individually. They do not have a plural form. When we talk about uncountable nouns, we always treat them as singular, even when we are talking about a large amount. Here are some common examples of uncountable nouns. Water is a liquid and cannot be counted as one water, two waters. Rice is a grain and we cannot say one rice, two rices. Butter is a dairy product that is uncountable. Sand is made of tiny particles and is also uncountable. Let's compare countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be pluralized. For example, apple becomes apples and book becomes books. We can count them. Uncountable nouns cannot be pluralized. Water stays water and rice stays rice. We cannot change them to a plural form. Here is an important rule to remember. Always use singular verbs with uncountable nouns. If you say the water are clean, that is wrong. The correct way is to say the water is clean. The verb is always singular, matching the singular nature of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns fall into different categories. Liquids like water, milk, oil, and juice are uncountable. Grains and food items such as rice, wheat, sugar, and salt are uncountable. Materials like sand, wood, metal, and paper are also uncountable. Never use the articles a or an with uncountable nouns. You cannot say I need a water or I need an information. That is incorrect. Instead, you should say I need water or I need some information. When you need to specify quantity, use words like some, a lot of, or much. Let's review the main points. Uncountable nouns cannot be made plural, so they always stay in their original form. Always use singular verbs when you use uncountable nouns. Never use the articles a or and before uncountable nouns. Common examples include water, rice, information, sand, and butter. Remember these rules and you will use uncountable nouns correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.